Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport Resto mod. And this one I filmed back in November of 20 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $46,000 but did not sell. And I'll read you the seller's statements on it. Car has been completely restored less than 100 miles ago. Has a 350 GM crate motor, 700R4 auto transmission, powder coated subframe, headers, deluxe interior, new glass and trim. And it also had some new tires and wheels and some different suspension on it. Yeah, unfortunately, the seller didn't mention the mileage, but it did have a nice blue interior in it to match the blue exterior, and was a good looking car. Nice color, bright blue. And unfortunately, that wasn't enough money for the seller to sell it, so he took it back home. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Resto mod that bid to $46,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.